In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve employee accountability using QuickBooks Time. We'll start by launching QuickBooks Time from within QuickBooks Online so everything stays connected to your payroll and reporting. In QuickBooks Online, open all apps, select Time, and choose Launch, QuickBooks Time. This takes you into the time tracking dashboard where you'll manage activity and see what your team is doing in real time. Next, let's track employee hours. Head to My Team and open Time Entries. Here, review each person's clock in and clock out times, recorded breaks, and total hours. Look for anything that seems off, like missing clockouts, unusually long breaks, or totals that don't match the schedule. If you spot gaps, use this view to confirm whether the entries are complete and accurate before they roll into payroll. The goal is to catch and correct issues early so your timesheets reflect the true hours worked. To keep things on track automatically, set up notifications and reminders. Go to Company Settings, then Notifications. Enable alerts for clock-in and clock-out reminders, late or missing clock-ins, time-off requests, and shift changes. These alerts act like a safety net, nudging employees at the right moments and flagging exceptions for managers. Adjust the timing and recipients so the right people get notified before problems escalate. And consider enabling both email and mobile notifications for better coverage. For an added layer of accountability, use timesheet approvals. Click Approvals in the top navigation and require managers to approve submitted time entries before payroll runs. This creates a clear review step where managers verify accuracy, resolve questions with employees, and sign off on the final hours. Set a routine approval deadline, such as the end of each week, so everyone knows when entries must be finalized. Now, compare what was scheduled to what actually happened. Go to Reports, open Schedule Reports, and select Schedule versus Worked. This view highlights differences between assigned shifts and actual hours worked. Use it to identify trends, such as repeated late arrivals, unapproved overtime, or missed shifts, and to recognize consistent on-time performance. Finally, provide feedback. Use the reports and notifications to address missed hours, late clock-ins, or discrepancies directly with employees. Keep the conversation timely and specific, focusing on what happened and how to fix it going forward. Consistent follow-up builds habits, improves compliance, and reinforces that accurate time tracking matters. That's how to improve accountability using QuickBooks Time. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.